this could be us. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hi guys, today we are going to outline 5 most beautiful places in USA. If you like it, leave a like and leave a comment. First one, Cocoa Beach, Florida. Cocoa Beach is a Florida city south of Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. It's a gateway to the Kennedy Space Center visitor complex, which has rocket and iconic artifacts. The city is known for its beach and surf bags. Inside a surf shop, the Florida Surf Museum traces the sport's local history. Nearby Cocoa Beach Pier has eateries and shops. The Maritime Forest at Oceanfront Lori Wilson Park attract bird life. Second one, Rocky Mountains. The Rocky Mountain is ranged some 30,000 miles from British Columbia and Alberta in Canada through Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado, and down to New Mexico in the US. The range offers dramatic wilderness, diverse wildlife, and alpine lakes. Colorado's Rocky Mountain National Park is traversed by numerous hiking trails and the famously scenic Trail Ridge Road, a 48 miles highway that reaches an high point of 1,283 ft. Third one, Alaska. Alaska is the largest US state by area and the 7th largest subnation division in the world. It is the third least populous and most sparsely populous US state, with a population of 736,081 as of 2020. Indigenous people have lived in Alaska for thousands of years, and the Russian Empire was the first to colonize it in the 8th century. It has one of the highest per capita incomes, with commercial fishing and the extraction of natural gas and oil dominating the economy. Fourth one is Tennessee. The American Civil War saw many East Tennesseans remain loyal to the Union, while the state seceded and joined the Confederacy. After the war, industrial operations were established. The TVA, despite economic development, and Oak Ridge was the site of the world's first successful uranium enrichment operations. The Regional Commission further transformed the region in the late 20th century. East Tennessee is part of Appalachia, home to the Great Smoky Mountain National Park and recreational areas, and has produced museums of national and international fame. Finally, I would like to say Yosemite National Park. The Ahwahnee is a National Historic Landmark and one of the most distinctive resort hotels in North Africa. Other Yosemite lodging options include Cedar Lodge, Curie Village, and Smith Valley Lodge. The Ahwahnee is a stunning building with a granite facade, beamed ceiling, and Native American artwork. Other Yosemite lodging options include Cedar Lodge, Curie Village, and Yosemite Valley Lodge. If you also like this video, leave a comment below. I hope to see you in another video. I will say goodbye to you today. Bye bye guys.